Hey everybody, Mark here. Welcome back to the channel. All right, so let's talk about the official pocket option signals that are built right into the platform. And you don't have to go anywhere else to get signals. Maybe you could use the ones that are already built in. And so that's what this video is all about. You may have seen it before over here on the right side of the interface. You have the Trades tab, and then right below that, you have the Signals tab. And this will load up a list of different signals that you can copy. And what Pocket Option does is these are completely automatic. So there's not like a human being behind this. You can see I already have a signal open right now just to test this out. It has about 1 minute and 27 seconds to go. But these are automatically generated. Okay, there's not a person behind the screen and they're not putting out these signals. These signals are automatic and they're created based on all of the indicators inside of Pocket Option. So over here on the indicators list, we've got a lot of different indicators. So what Pocket Option does is it looks at the price action and all of these indicators, and then it determines that maybe this would be a good trade, or maybe it sees the price at, or it sees the market at a certain price in the future. And so it's going to do whatever calculations it needs to do, and it comes up with a signal with a countdown already made for you. So you don't have to figure out your expiration time. The signal, it's already built into the signal. So it figures out everything for you, and then it places it on this list. And all you have to do is click on Copy Signal. And as soon as you click on that Copy Signal button, you will enter the market immediately. So I just want to let you guys know about that. So I'd highly recommend to do this on a demo account like I'm doing right now, because I don't normally use signals. You just have no idea what's going to happen, okay? But these are kind of fun to play with. You can experiment with these. But let's dive in here and really talk about what everything in here means. So when you open up the signals for the very first time, you're going to have these copy signal buttons, which is going to place you into the market right away. But you also have a countdown. It's like a little timer right above that button. So this just means that that's how much time's left for this particular signal. So in other words, if I were to enter the market, if I were to click on Copy Signal for this particular signal right here at the very top, that means that this trade would last approximately 1 minute and 37 seconds, or whatever the timer says at the time that I click on that button. Okay, there's a lot of signals here, guys. There's signals that can last up to an hour. Okay, so there's one down here. It says 40 minutes and 26 seconds. So if let's just go ahead and do it. I'll click on it. It's a demo account, so there you go. So I've clicked on that and you can barely see it. Let me go over to the line chart and look at that. So for $10, I placed a put into the market, and this trade will be open for the next 40 minutes. So I won't have any idea if it's going to be a profit or a loss until after 40 minutes. Okay. So this will be like the longest trade I've ever done inside a Pocket Option. But that's what those timers mean that are next to those buttons. Now there's also some other features here. If you look next to the Copy Signal button, you will find a little dollar symbol, but you will also see some arrows. So some of the signals have 2 arrows and some signals only have 1. Well, what's the difference? Well, according to Pocket Option, the signals with 2 arrows are going to be a little bit stronger. They're going to be maybe possibly a little bit more accurate than the signals with only 1 arrow. Okay, that's all that means. So if I were you, if I were to take a signal, yeah, I would take the signals with only 2 arrows. Okay, just to maybe place the odds in my favor a little bit more. Okay, and so right next to that, we have the asset. Now, if I switch the asset inside a Pocket Option, you can see that all of these signals will update with the new asset from the new chart that I'm currently on. Okay, and then it will also list the dollar amount that I have entered up here for the trade amount. At the moment, this is $10, but if I switch this to $100, then you can see that all of these signals have updated with $100. So if I click on copy signal, I will enter the market with $100. All right, underneath the $10 or underneath the dollar amount for the trade is the number of pocket option members that have also copied this signal. So for this one right here, this has been copied 172 times. That's what that is right there. So if you want to jump on board, maybe you could use this or in some way like what they call social proof. So I guess if a lot of people copy this signal, maybe that would mean that it's a good signal, but I don't know. So that's what that means right there. Okay, so now how can we apply these signals to possibly like a strategy that we already have? What I would do is you guys know me, I'm a big fan of using a trend in the market. So let's do that. Let's just go ahead and zoom out here and let's find an upward trend or a downward trend. Now I'm just using the moving average. This is a 50 period SMA, okay? And then I will switch through and browse through the different assets here. And I'm looking for a trend. This looks okay, but I'm also looking for a pullback. So right here, we've got an upward trend, and I'm also looking for this price to pull back a little bit closer to this 50 EMA. And then once it reaches that, I'm anticipating a reverse and a continuation into the trend's direction, just like that. Okay, so that's what we're kind of looking at here. And I'm going to go ahead and clean that off. And man, it's been a long day. My voice is a little raspy, guys. So making videos all day, working on a Telegram group. It's just been a little crazy. By the way, guys, I'm using the 1 minute chart with a 1 minute countdown. Guys, just for the sake of time, I'm going to use this one right here. Do you see how we're coming down a bit? And we've got this big pullback up to this 50 moving average. I like this. Let's use this for an example. So now let's go over here to the signals. And what we're looking for is two red arrows going down. And right here, I'm going to copy this right there. I've got 35 seconds left. So pocket option says that this signal, or I think it's, this signal right here, we are anticipating the price to be in profit by the time after 20 seconds. So 17, 16, 15 seconds to go. And it's going against us a little bit. Do we have any other signals? We have another one up here at the very top, guys. 2 red arrows pointing down. So that's showing some strength. Was that a loss? Yeah, that was a loss. Where did it say? Yep, that was a loss. So I've entered the market again, and we're going to go ahead and wait for that to plan out. So we've got 20 seconds to go. We got about 8 seconds for the next candle, and it is what it is. I don't personally use these signals over here. You guys can try it out. I think that there's other ways to trade. There's no real skill behind this if you're just clicking on signals or taking signals from someone else, right? You're really not learning how to trade. And so I don't agree with this 100%, although we do have a couple of profitable positions on the other trades that we've taken, but who knows where those are going to be. By the time, what is it, like 30 minutes? Hey guys, it's Mark. Just wanted to jump in here real quick and let you know it's been about 35, 40 minutes, and the other 2 longer trades that I took from the signals from Pocket Option, those were successful. So you can see right here, those did end up in profit. And it's got a little signal icon right there next to it. So you can see these were a couple signals that I did take during the video. And of course, we did have a couple losses on the video today as well, but that's okay. But these two other longer trades did work out. And so I just want to let you know. So we're going to leave it at that. I've got a really special message to share with you towards the end of this video. You guys have a great rest of the day, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care. Hey everybody, Mark here. I have a question for you. Are you struggling to become profitable with binary options? Does it seem like no matter how many wins you get, your account balance is either going down or it just seems to stay in the same spot? Well, I've got a solution for you. It's called the Wealth Warriors Trade Manager, and it gives you the potential to make between 5 and 10% on your account every day. You could have multiple losses in a row and still come out profitable. And you guys know that, having proper risk management is your key to success with trading. And this trade manager gives you that edge that you need. So join the VIP Telegram group now and get access to all my premium calculators and spreadsheets. Now's the time. It's time to take your trading to the next level. You'll find the link below in the description of this video. Have a good day.